Hey, what's up cubers? In the previous video we have learned how to make a cross, which is the first step. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve these four corners, which is the second step of solving a Rubik's cube. Now for solving these four corner pieces, first of all we have to find a corner piece that has one white side, one blue side and one red side. Let's scan the whole cube for a white, blue and red, and here it is. So whenever we found our corner piece, so just like a cross, we have to move it to the bottom, and it's already in the bottom, so we have to move it to the front. Now this piece needs to move from this position to this position, so we will perform an algorithm here, and the algorithm is R prime D prime R D. So look, our piece is solved. We have to perform the algorithms as many times until the piece is solved. Now we have to find an edge piece that has one white side, one red side and one green side. So that's it. So we have to okay, first of all I want to show you a case. When we found our edge piece and it's already at the correct spot but it's not properly oriented, such as this one. This one piece contains the white, green and orange, so it's in the correct spot but not properly oriented. So for its orientation we have to perform the algorithm again and it will be solved. So R prime D prime R D, 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 and look, we have solved it. Now let's look for a blue, orange and white. Blue, orange and white, and here it is. So it's already at the top, so we have to move it to the bottom layer. So we are breaking up our cross. We move the piece away, then pull this layer up for preserving our cross. Now move this piece in front and perform the algorithm R prime D prime R D. Now our last piece, red, white and orange, green. So and the piece is already at the bottom and in front, so we will perform the algorithm R prime D prime R D. We have completed the second step and also the first layer of solving a Rubik's cube, and we have two more layers to go. In my next video I'll be showing you how to solve these four corner pieces. So if you have any questions related to Rubik's cube, feel free to ask, and also stay tuned for the upcoming video. And that's it, it's Easy signing out.